Best Tile Saw 2023. Like most appliances, many factors come to mind when looking to purchase a tile saw. However, some tend to stand out more than others. After thorough research and consultations, we managed to compile a list of 5 great tile saws. The features we selected to pinpoint these tile saws are. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Skil 3550-027 7-inch wet tile saw. The Skil 3550-027 7-inch wet tile saw features Skil's hydro lock system, which stops water splashing when it's in use. The blade guard contains the water and also does a great job of allowing the user to see the cut. The work table has a slide-out wing to support larger tiles up to 18 inches. Plus, the water fill lid doubles to help the operator cut bevels at 22.5 and 45 degrees. This saw falls short of the top spot for only one reason: it doesn't have a sliding bed. Sliding wide tiles through a wet saw accurately can be a challenge without one. Thanks to the blade guard's superior visibility, you can still get accurate cuts if you use its adjustable fence with a sliding bevel gauge. Pros: limited water splashing. Good sight lines for cutting. Can handle larger tiles. Cons: no sliding bed. Number 2. Official ROTORAZER Compact Circular Saw Set DIY Projects Cut Drywall. If you're looking for a tile cutting tool with some extra versatility, check out the ROTORAZER Compact Circular Saw Set. This saw comes with multiple saw blades, allowing you to tackle tile, metal, wood, and other materials with the same saw. With the diamond blade fitting, its plunge cut action makes it capable of cutting outlet and vent holes in tile with ease. The ROTORAZER comes with 3 different blades, including tungsten carbide for wood, steel for metals, and diamond embedded for cutting tile. It also features a hard carrying case for safe storage and a dust extraction hose that attaches to the saw to keep the mess controllable. It can cut materials up to 1/2 inch thick and allows you to make curved cuts easily. Pros: cuts several types of material. Includes a convenient carry case. Multiple saws in a single tool. Cons: blades can wear out quickly. Number 3. Skil 7-inch wet tile saw. Skil's 3540-027 7-inch wet tile saw is designed to help homeowners and DIYers tackle small to medium-sized projects, such as backsplashes and craft work. This saw can handle 12-inch crosscuts and 7 3/4-inch tiles on a 45-degree angle, and its adjustable fence aids in accurate and repeatable cuts. The beveling work table can cut measurements between 0 and 45 degrees. Plus, the stainless steel worktop will outlast those made with cheaper materials. While the reservoir and blade guard combination does a solid job of containing most of the mess in cutting backsplash or shower tile, beveling corner tiles still can get a little tricky. And the entire table has beveled edges, so watch out for water running off the side of the saw instead of into the reservoir. Pros: at just 18 pounds, this model is lightweight and portable, great for jobs on the go. Made from durable stainless steel materials, easy to maintain and wipe clean. Miter gauge and adjustable rip fence make this ideal for repeated accurate cuts. Cons: water can end up running off the sides instead of the reservoir. Number 4. Leegol Electric 7-inch bench wet tile saw. Power tools can be a serious investment that can set your wallet back quite a bit. So, if you're just starting with power tools, and especially with tile saws, we think you'll like our best on a budget pick from Leegol. We like that this affordable solution is a smaller sized tabletop tile saw that still features a commendable 3,550 RPM rating. We like that you can still make miter and bevel cuts ranging from 0 to 45 degrees. And while this is a budget-friendly find, we do like that you still get great features such as the blade cooling water reservoir. The tabletop is chrome-plated to resist corrosion. Plus the 7-inch blade is designed to work with masonry as thick as 1 inch. You'll also like that this power tool comes with 1 spanner wrench and 1 nut driver. Check out the best chainsaw too, especially if you're moving beyond the interior of your home. Pros: budget-friendly. Compact and lightweight design. Easy to use and maintain. Cons: worktop prone to scratches and rust. Number 5. Delta 96-110 Cruzer wet tile saw. Delta has been addressing the demands of the most discerning craftsmen for over a century. And the Delta 96 to 110 tile saw is engineered for tough durability and lifespan. With a strong 15-amp engine, the 10-inch wet tile saw can cut through indigenous and man-made tile, stone, and pavers. It can cut stone up to 3-3/8 inches thick with its diamond cutting wheel, and it boasts a gigantic best-in-class rip capacity of 34 inches and a 24-inch diagonal cut power. Granite, porcelain, concrete, and other stone materials are readily sliced with the powerful 15-amp engine. The diamond cutting blade is of the highest quality, grade 1. This saw does not include one of those cheap blades that you throw away after the first usage. The saw is built with a massive rail system with 12 bearings that allows for extraordinarily straight, precise, and smooth cuts. Cuts through the natural and man-made tile and pavers with a powerful 15-amp motor. The 10-inch diamond cutting wheel is capable of cutting stones up to 3/3/8 thick. Up to 3/4 of rip cutting capability in its class. Over a 24-inch tile, the accuracy was within 1/32 inch. Dual water nozzles may be adjusted for appropriate water placement on the blade, reducing the overspray and keeping the blade cool for better cutting performance. This saw is a beast that is designed to last a lifetime. Pros: easy to use. Great features. Easy to clean. Cons: heavy weight.